Today we are going to try to solve the 3x3 one-handed as fast as possible. So I can solve it one-handed, but I don't know any one-handed algorithms. I just do the algorithm with one hand. So let's scramble it up. Okay, there we go. Just looking for a cross. I really don't see anything good about this. I'll just go, why not? I'm doing green cross. Okay. Oh wow, 40 seconds in and I'm only on my third F12 pair. And okay, just line. G perm, I'm just doing a T perm, then a U perm. Okay, only a U-perm left. There we go. Oh, my hand hurts. Okay, 1 minute 33. Not terrible, I guess. I don't know. Never really tried it. But yeah, that's me solving a cube one-handed. Never doing that ever again.